Hey guys, today I wanted to do a little review on Simple Green Pro HD. I rebuild motorcycles for fun, I make YouTube content, but I also rebuild older bikes that need more of a deep clean. So there are a lot of degreasers out on the market, but for safety's sake, this degreaser is the safest you can use on the motorcycle because it's safe on aluminum. Almost all modern sport bikes that I work on, and even older sport bikes like this Ducati you can see behind me, have 90% of their metal as aluminum. This degreaser is safe on aluminum. It does not have the additive that can corrode aluminum and give that white powder once it dries and gets corroded. This is safe on aluminum. That's the biggest thing that this is famous for. This I find is stronger even when I dilute it to the recommended dilutions. For light, it's 1 cup of HD with 13 cups of water, so 1 to 13. But if you want a medium dilution, which is what I use to this, where it's a 1 to 3, so 1 part mix to 3 parts water. This does such a good job at cleaning tough stuff like these brake calipers that I took apart on this motorcycle. I have a clip of soaking these things in the 1 to 3 dilution, and they came out perfectly clean. All the grease, all the brake dust, all the corrosion that I could rub off is gone, and these things are sparkling compared to what they were. I use this to spray all over the bike before I give it a wash. I use this on chains, sprockets, all the dirty stuff, and it really does a good job of cleaning it and getting all that stuff broken down. It does not have a bad smell. Some degreasers have a terrible smell, and I'm working in Texas. I always try to keep my garage door closed, and that's a big thing when working with this is I'm not gasping for air after I use it. If comparatively to like brake cleaners and stuff, this can get the job done and you're not suffocating for air. I use it on practically everything. The kit that I got came with a gallon and a sprayer, so it makes up to 14 gallons. If you do the 1 to 3 dilution, you can make this go a long way. As you can see, I've used a lot of it, and I've had this almost for a year and a half, maybe more, and I've done 3 bike rebuilds with it. So I use it a lot, but it comes with a lot, so you don't have to be filling up all the time or going to the store all the time to get new bottles. You have all the cleaner you need right here, and it's going to last you a long time. So if you're looking to work on cars, motorcycles, or anything to do with where you're going to encounter aluminum, just go ahead and get this one. It's safe, it's strong, and it's dilutable, so you'll have a lot for the future.